I like to say that I have the best front yard in Vancouver. It has a heart and a soul that feels very organic. It just feels like the neighborhood is growing with me. I can't imagine living anywhere else. I have the best commute that I can think of. I go around the seawall. I get to see birds. I get to see runners and joggers and people with their dogs. I get to see natural beauty and the interesting shape that the man-made beauty that's taking on Vancouver. We've come so far just in the last few years that I've been riding. Again, it's just potential. And when you're in a place of potential, you can go anywhere. And so it's a really, really exciting place to be. It puts the city on a human level for me. And it just makes me feel like I'm a part of the city instead of feeling apart from the city. I don't really ride with destinations in mind. I'm just going out with an idea of what I want to see, what sort of people I want to see, what kind of scenery I want to see, and then I just sort of point my bike in a direction and sort of let fate direct me to wherever it is I'm going to go. I have rheumatoid arthritis, and as a result, I suffer from near chronic pain, not debilitating, sometimes it is, but as long as I can still wear high heels, I'm okay. And as long as I can keep riding my bike, I'm good, I'm good. I worked at corporations my first few years out of library school, and then I decided to come to work in public libraries, and I love it. This is where I belong. It's a great place to come and people watch, and stuff is free. Well, I mean, your taxes are paying for it, but you can find things that you probably wouldn't ordinarily find anywhere else. It's just a great place. It's kind of pinko commie, the public library, but I'm kind of pinko commie, so it fits perfectly. My name is Cecily Walker. I live in the Olympic Village, and I'm a librarian in Vancouver.